Unearthing the meaning of landfill. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to delve into a phrase that you might have come across in conversations about the environment or waste management. Landfill. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dig in. When we break down the phrase, landfill, it's quite literal. It's land that is filled, right? But filled with what? A landfill is an area of land where large amounts of waste material are buried under the earth. It is a method used to dispose of solid waste by burying it. This term is common when discussing environmental issues, waste management, and sustainability. Understanding how landfills work can help us appreciate the term more deeply. Landfills are not just random open pits where garbage is dumped. They are carefully designed structures that are built into or on top of the ground. Landfills are engineered to prevent the waste from coming in contact with the surrounding environment, especially the water supply. This is done by lining the bottom with protective layers and covering the waste with soil at the end of each day. The phrase, landfill, often comes up in conversations about the environment. Why? Because while landfills are necessary for waste management, they can have negative impacts. They can contribute to air and water pollution if not managed properly. The decomposition of waste in landfills can produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. This makes understanding and managing landfills crucial for environmental protection. Now that we know what a landfill is and its importance, let's see how to use it in a sentence. The City Council is considering opening a new landfill to accommodate the growing amount of waste. Environmentalists argue that we should find alternatives to landfills to reduce pollution. She wrote a report on the effects of landfills on groundwater contamination. Notice how the word can be used in different contexts, all relating to waste management and environmental issues. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive look at the term, landfill. We hope this explanation helps you understand the term and use it correctly. Remember, every bit of knowledge about our environment helps us make better choices for our planet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning content. See you in the next video.